Start with a good base. Moisturize. This will hydrate your skin and create a smooth canvas for your foundation. Primer. Use a primer to help your makeup last longer and minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines. Foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and provides the desired coverage. Concealer to cover blemishes, dark circles, and other imperfections. Enhance your eyes. Eyeliner. A simple line of eyeliner can define your eyes and make them appear larger. Mascara is a must-have for any makeup look. It can add volume, length, and curl to your lashes. Well-groomed eyebrows can frame your face and make a big difference in your overall appearance. Fill in any sparse areas with an eyebrow pencil or powder. Add a touch of color. Blush can add a healthy flush of color to your cheeks. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. Lipstick can complete any makeup look. Choose a shade that you love and that makes you feel confident. Set your makeup. Use a setting powder to help your makeup stay in place all day long. Apply it to your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin to control shine. A setting spray can help your makeup last even longer and prevent it from smudging or fading. Less is more. Don't be afraid to experiment with different makeup looks. But remember that less is often more. A natural, understated look can be just as beautiful as a bold, dramatic one.
Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share.